Everyone is talking about AI right now, people. Like, it's the easiest way to make money online, but nobody is telling you this. Yeah, what I'm gonna share with you today, no one is really letting you know all these things. If you go on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, everyone is saying use AI to make money. It's really fast and it's easy. I'm not gonna lie, peeps. I believed it myself. I believed it too. Because when you are starting from zero, you want something that actually works faster. You want something that is really fast and really quick. You know what I mean? So I started looking into it, trying different things, seeing how AI can actually help me make money online. And here is what nobody tells you. AI doesn't make you money, people. It just makes things faster. AI can help you build things faster, write faster, create faster. But if you don't know what you are doing, you will do the wrong things faster, people. AI doesn't fix confusion. It multiplies it. You can use AI to create a product, but if nobody sees it, you will still make zero sales. Yeah. The real problem isn't creating the product, it's getting the attention you really need. You need people to stop scrolling, watch you, and trust you. Trust me, people, AI doesn't do that for you. That's something I'm realizing it myself. It's not about how fast you create, it's about whether people actually care. So instead of chasing AI tools here and there, I started focusing on something else, understanding people. Yeah, trying to understand you that is watching me. Because once you understand what people need, then AI becomes more powerful. Now, people, if you are thinking AI is going to make you money overnight, trust me, it won't. But if you use it the right way, yeah, AI can help you get there faster. It can help you make money overnight faster. That is by using the right AI tool in the right way. I'm still figuring this out myself, but I'm sharing everything I learn. Follow the journey. If it's your first time watching me, I go by the name Prince, aka Slum Beast, and you are welcome to Xtrabiz channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to motivate and encourage me, bring you more of this content. Until then, peeps, is peace.